Good morning and happy Monday, seventh grade band. I'm here to give you your assignment for Monday and Tuesday. So if you go to our Schoology page, just as you have been, assignments folder, there will be a new digital learning folder for this week, which will be yellow. Okay, it's for April 20th through the 24th. And then in there will be our assignment folder for Monday and Tuesday, which will be blue. So yellow, then blue, and then a PDF of our assignment for these 2 days. Okay, we will be loading the document. There we go. Okay, here's our assignment for Monday and Tuesday of this week. Let me know if you have questions. First off, Sight Reading Factory, log in, complete the next assignment, due at the end of the day on Tuesday, April 21st. And then for Smart Music, we will be doing some Standard of Excellence work for Monday and Tuesday, number 64 and 65. Okay, so number 64 is called Danish Roll, and this one continues our work in cut time. This is a Danish folk song. Okay. But it continues our work in cut time. So this is the flute part right here. First off, you're probably going to want to check your key signature. Probably one less flat than you're used to, or one more sharp than you're used to if you are a trumpet, clarinet, or saxophone. So make sure that you check your key signature before you play so that you're playing the correct notes. Okay. This one is in cut time. And it uses what we call DC Alfine. Okay, it looks a little bit different once you press play because it brings you right through the music. But if you look either along with your blue book or look in the music, what happens is you start at the beginning of the piece and you play and you play and you play, and you see this fine here with the double bar. There's no repeat here, and there's more music after, so we're going to keep going. Okay, so play from the beginning, keep going here, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going. Oh, DC Alfine. That means you go back to the beginning and you play until the fine. So we're going to jump back to the beginning of the music. Ta 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 ta. And then you're at the fine. So then you're done. Okay? And so really thinking about the roadmap is important. Also, remember what cut time is. Cut times mean that there's two half notes per measure. Okay, that means if you have these quarter notes, they're actually going to feel like eighth notes in cut time. And if you have the my part turned on, okay, you'll be able to hear how that kind of jives into place. Listen to the flute part, not the like fiddly part in the background. And it shows you exactly how it's supposed to sound. Now, when you submit, you're actually not going to be able to do it with my part on. And if you listen to the background, it doesn't give you as clear of what that rhythm is. So you're going to have to practice some rhythm independence here. You also are able to do it without any of the parts and just have silence. I guess it still has the background on. But I think one thing that's really, really important is that you work with the my part when you're first learning the piece, and then you practice with turning it off. Okay, so this my part can be a great thing because it can help you hear your part and especially hear the rhythm and how it goes and everything. Okay, so you're also going to be doing number 65. Number 65 is not in cut time, it's in 2/4 time. Okay, but it actually also has the same DC Alfine. So before we play it, let's look at the roadmap. You start at the beginning, play, 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 keep playing, keep playing, keep playing, keep playing. You get to the end. Oh, look, DC Alfine. Remember, that means go back to the beginning and play until the fine. So you go back, play, 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 and then you get to the fine, and then you're done. Okay? So this is definitely a challenging piece for 2/4 time. This rhythm in measure 2 pops up a lot. Eighth note, quarter note, eighth note. So this is half a count, this is one count, and this is another half a count. So the rhythm for that is going to be one and. Again, if you play this with my part, you'll be able to hear that in context. I think I have the, let's try that one more time. Yep, and depending on what instrument, I'm on the flute part right now, so that will it will play the instrument that you play and have selected. Okay, so really make sure that you're comfortable with that rhythm um, and all that, and DC Alfine, and make sure that you're really also working on some of these notes. We have some higher notes in this one, okay, and this part with the eighth notes, you have tons of staccatos, so make sure that those kind of come out. And especially watch some of the naturals, or for some of you, it might be sharps that come out throughout this piece, especially in areas like this. This part's going to take just some good old-fashioned woodshedding. Okay, so that is your assignment number 64 and 65 from Standard of Excellence. And this will actually be due by Wednesday at the end of the day. So if you get started on Monday, you have a couple good days to practice and really become comfortable with these before you submit them. Okay. And as always, I'm here for questions. If you email, call, or I'll even set up a Zoom meeting if you want to play for me and to give you some feedback before you submit the assignment. So know that I'm here to help you, and I hope you have happy practicing and a great couple days.